If you think saving money will make you rich, that might be the reason you're still not moving forward. We were all taught the same thing. Save money, be careful, build security. And it sounds logical. The more you save, the safer you feel. But there's a problem. Saving money alone doesn't make you richer. It only reduces risk. And as long as you're only playing not to lose, you're not playing to grow. The money you save doesn't work. It just sits there. And there's something most people ignore: inflation. You don't see it every day, but it's always there. Imagine you saved $1,000. A year later, it's not really $1,000 anymore. It buys less. Food gets more expensive. Rent goes up. Everything costs more. But your money doesn't. And while it just sits there, it slowly loses value. Quietly, without warning. You think you're saving, but you're actually losing. But the problem goes deeper. When you focus only on saving, you stop thinking about growth. You start shrinking your life instead of expanding it. And that becomes your mindset. You start thinking, that's too expensive. I can't afford that. I need to save. And it becomes automatic. You stop looking for opportunities. You just try to survive. Now imagine two people. One saves everything, tracks every expense, plays it safe. The other thinks differently. They don't ignore spending, but their main question is, how do I grow my income? After 1 year, the difference is small. After 5, it's noticeable. After 10, it's a completely different life. Not because one was smarter, but because they played a different game. And here's the key. The solution is not to stop saving. The solution is to change the role of saving. Saving is not the goal. It's a tool. Money shouldn't just sit. It should move, work, create more money. And that means something simple. What you save should be divided. Part for safety, part for growth. Even if it's small, even if it's just 10%, that's already a different system. You're no longer just saving, you're building. And that's what changes everything. Because the problem is not that you save. The problem is that you stop there. And money that just sits doesn't change your life. Only money in motion does. And once you understand that, the game changes. And if you want to understand how this actually works, how money, mindset, and the system really function, that's what this channel is about. Simple, clear, so you can stop surviving and start moving forward.